morning, ladies and gentlemen. Basically, I've got another chocolate review for you guys, and this time it's the Kit Kat Gold, made out of gold. Okay, let's go. Okay. So I went to my corner shop and I told Sanjeev, give me the most expensive chocolate bar you have. And he went to his pocket and bought this one out. He said this Kit Kat Gold is made out of gold. I'm not sure if I should believe him. He likes to talk a lot of gibberish and rubbish, and a lot of rubbish comes out of his mouth. But he charged a lot of Ugandan dollars from me for this one, so hopefully it's got some kind of gold in it. If it doesn't, I'm going to go to him and I'm going to go and scuff his trainers. Yes, I'm going to step on his trainers. I am very dangerous. He's not going to expect that one. So yeah, so these are some kind of Kit Kat. I don't know where he found these ones, but it's some kind of gold edition. As you can see, a Kit Kat Gold edition. Caramelize your break. And then it says each bar this much energy. So I don't know if it's actual gold or one bar, like a bar of gold. I think that's what they're saying. Yeah, so hopefully it's going to have some kind of gold in it, because I like the gold. Let's open this up and see if it is tasty. He is a born liar, so I would not trust Sanjeev, but hopefully he is not talking the nonsense and he's talking the truth. Here we are. Ooh, it actually looks different. As you can see, it's got some kind of weird color to it. I don't know if you can see it, but yes, got a very weird. Ooh, actually it's got some speckles of gold. That is a good one, as you can see. So he was not talking rubbish. That is good. It's got some speckles of gold. So let's break this one. And let's have a bite and see if it's nice. As you can see, the little speckles of gold. We are going to try this one. You can taste the expensiveness. You done good, Sanjeev. This one is a very nice. It's got this like a caramel taste to it, little flakes of gold. All in all, focus. What is wrong with Baba Bumbo? I do not want to focus, but it is a very nice chocolate. I will highly recommend this Kit Kat Gold. If you can find one for a good price, you can go and buy it. It is actually very nice. It's got a hint of real gold in it, and that gives it the luxurious taste, I believe. All in all, a very nice chocolate bar from Kit Kat. Original gold flavor. Highly recommend this one, guys. As always, if you like the video, remember to subscribe. I'm gonna do some more of these weird kind of sweets if I find them. And as always, believe.